Welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the best ways to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes errors. So I hope after trying all those methods the your computer will be fixed. So hopefully after trying all those methods you will not have this problem anymore. So now, if without wasting any seconds, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to follow along with me, and please don't miss any method that I'm going to show you here, because it has the potential to solve this problem. So please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end. And now the first thing that you need to do is to press the Windows logo key plus I. And here what you need to do is to write troubleshoot. And now what you need to do after you just look for, you can also go to troubleshoot settings, and here select other troubleshooters. And in other troubleshooters, please go to Windows Update and run this troubleshooter. So if this method didn't fix the problem, I'll show you other solutions. So the next method involves simply going to the Windows Update services, because there's some if there's some problems with the services, we can restart it, and this has a potential to solve this problem. So now what you need to do is to here in the search bar, in this Windows search bar, please write services. And here what you need to do is to look for Windows Update Services. So Windows Update Services. Okay, is right this one. And now click on it and go to Properties. And what you need to do right now is to, and here select Automatic and Stop. Tap on the Stop button, and now start again Windows Update Services and Apply and OK. And if this method doesn't work, please follow along with me and I'll show you another method. So here another thing you should try. So we need to start our computer in clean boot. So that means only with the services, with Windows services. So let's do it right now. So tap on the search button, and here please write run, and here write msconfig. Now this Windows will pop up. Alright, and now go to boot and services and enable hide all Microsoft services and tap on disable all. And now tap on apply and OK. This method is the last in the list and is probably one of the most tested by many users with good results. So what you need to do is to go here in the search bar or Google or whatever search engine you want, and here you can simply write Windows Update Assistant And here what you need to do is to select here download Windows 10. And here please tap on update now. Alright, so we have this now, Windows 10 upgrade. Now open this. Yes. And here wait a little bit. And that's only for Windows 10, right? I'm currently using Windows 11, so instead of downloading that one, we need to install Windows Update Assistant for Windows 11. So please write that if you're a Windows 11 user. And here, as you can see, download Windows 11. Here we have the installation assistant. So tap on the download button, and here wait a couple of seconds. Perfect. Tap on this, and as you can see, this device is already running the latest version of Windows 11. You can install you can use installation assistant to help install the next features update when it's available. So this is very useful. Now if you have any updates available, you'll be able to install the latest version of Windows. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. See you now in the next video. Take care.